Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe Premiere Pro to compress video for email delivery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Load the project containing the video you want to compress. Click on File in the top left corner of the screen. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Then choose Media to open the export settings. In the Export Settings window, select your desired format. For email delivery, consider using H.264. Adjust the output name and location by clicking on the blue file name. Set the resolution to 720p or lower to reduce file size. In the Video tab, change the bitrate settings. Select VBR, 1 pass for quicker compression. Set the target bitrate to between 2 and 5 megabits per second. Preview the estimated file size in the bottom right corner. Navigate to the Audio tab. Choose AAC as the audio codec for better compatibility. Set the audio sample rate to 48 kHz. Adjust the audio bitrate to 192 kbps. Check the Use Maximum Render Quality box if desired. Click on the Q button to send the project to Adobe Media Encoder. In Adobe Media Encoder, ensure your settings are correct. Click the green play button to start the compression process. Once the export is complete, locate the finished file. Your video is now ready for email delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.